Deadly shooting over a parking spot in the Tampa area is once again spurring a national conversation over Florida's Stand Your Ground law. Surveillance video shows a man pushing another man to the ground outside a convenience store. The push happened after the man on the ground was yelling at the other man's girlfriend. But that's when the man on the ground pulls out a gun and fires, killing the other guy. Pinellas County deputies are not charging the shooter because of Stand Your Ground. News 6's Jerry Askin has been following this debate and joins us now live from downtown Orlando. And Jerry, some people say the controversial law needs more clarity.
Lisa, yes. Attorney Marco Mera, local attorney Marco Mera, said the Stand Your Ground law flat out needs more clarity. He said also it's time for a conversation when it comes to education about the difference between the Stand Your Ground law and self-defense.
I can't use a gun just because I'm upset with you.
Well-known defense attorney Marco Mera has a lot to say when it comes to this controversial Stand Your Ground law here in Florida.
If you can do something other than shoot somebody, you should do that.
The law is under a national spotlight once again, this time in Pinellas County. This video shows a man pushing down a second man at a gas station after an argument over a handicapped parking spot. The man who was pushed down ended up opening fire, killing that man, and he has not been charged.
He's going to argue, all I know was I was yelling at somebody for being in a parking place. Next thing I was on my butt with somebody over me.
But attorney Marco Mera said in general, the Stand Your Ground law has been used to protect people who misinterpret this law. In this case, he said he understands both sides, but told me the law in general could use more clarity.
I think people's understanding of this law is not completely accurate, and that they probably believe they are more protected in defending themselves.
You may recall O'Mara represented George Zimmerman back in 2012 when he was acquitted for shooting and killing Trayvon Martin, who was not armed. In that case, O'Mara used self-defense for his client, not the Stand Your Ground law.
The difference is only I had an opportunity to retreat.
Ashley Moody, who is running for Attorney General here in Florida, spoke to one of our News 6 anchors this week.
So you're for the Stand Your Ground law as is?
There is an absolute need to be able to codify the natural right of self-defense, and we've done that in Florida.
And at 5:30 here on News 6, you'll hear from the Pinellas County Sheriff, who said the man is not facing charges here in this case after opening fire and killing the man there, and why attorney Marco Mera said the Stand Your Ground law can actually protect law enforcement. I'm working that part of the story for you on News 6 at 5:30. We're live in downtown Orlando. I'm Jerry Askin, News 6.
Jerry, thank you. Now, to read more about Stand Your Ground laws and which other states have them, we've posted that on our website. Just look for this story on the homepage of clickorlando.com.